Welcome back everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we are going to make the fine fabric with a top, so please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel, watch my video down to the end, also share it for others to see. So let's get started now. So I've folded my fabric like this into 4 pieces, so we are cutting the front and the back all together at once. So I will go ahead now to take my body weight that I folded, is 13 inches that we have. And to start with our length, I'm going to start from the upper side and place my tape to get my length. It's a crop top that we are making, so this is 15.5 inches, that is the length. And then I will go ahead now to take my neckline. My neckline here is 5 inches, so I will mark my 5 inches like this. And to bring down the depth of the neckline, I'm going to mark 3 inches like this, and then curve it because it's a round neck, canoe neck. So that is it. So after that, I will go ahead now to mark my shoulder. My shoulder is 16 divided by 2. That will give us 8 inches. So that is my 8 inches like this. Then I will take my ruler to roll it down to have a straight line like this. So that is it. So after that now, I will also go ahead now to start to place my tape for the upper part to get my chest line. My chest line that I'm having is 8 inches. So on that line of my chest line, that is where I will place my tape to get my bust. Since it's a free top, we don't want it to be too tight. So our bust is 40 inches. So I will make it up to 44 inches so that it will be free. So that is it, that my 44 inches, adding 1.5 inches for the sewing allowance. And then also to place my tape under my chest line and mark 2 inches like this. And then I will curve it using my ruler to do that. So that is it now. So I've curved the arm up. So coming to the down part, our waist is 36 inches. So I will make it up to 40 inches. So that's my 40 inches, and then add 1.5 inches for the sewing allowance. Why doing all of this? Because we want our top to be free because it doesn't have a zipper. So that's why we are doing all of this. And then also to slope my shoulder, I will mark ½ inch to slope it like this, and then also roll it, like to slope it down like this. And then we'll connect all the marks together from the bust to the waistline. I'll roll it like this. And also for my down part, I don't want it to be too straight, so I'm going to mark 1 inch and then curve it like this. So using my ruler to also curve it like this. So then we are done. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please watch this video down to the end. And as for this stuff that we are cutting now, this crop top, we are not going to cut it and join it together. I'm just showing you how to cut. So if you have your fabric, just bring it out and cut along with me. And if you want to join it, you can also join it by yourself, and also watch my previous video that I've done all of this, and you will see the outcome. So for the back neckline, let me place my tape and mark is 1.5 inches for the neckline, right, for the depth. So that's it. So the front is 3, remember. So this is the back depth of the neck. So then I will go ahead now to cut. So I will start from the neckline like this. So starting from the back neckline like this. So please watch this video and share it for others to see, so that they too can also watch and learn, and also subscribe, please subscribe to my channel, and also comment if you are not done that. And for the comment section, I will see it, and I also reply you. So that is for the top now, and that is for the neckline for the back. So for the front neckline, so I will just take out the back neck, and then to cut the front neckline is what I'm doing now. So I'll go ahead now to cut. So that is it. We have finished cutting it. That is it. And also to spread it out for you to see also how it look like. So this it is now. So what you will do now is, if you want to join your own, because I've said earlier that I'm not joining it, I'm just cutting the body to show you how to cut this crop top. So if you want to join, you join starting from the shoulder, you join the back and the front and the shoulder part. And before then, to also place it like this to get your measurement. So when you want to join it together now, you will now use into to not into for you. Remember, when we are cutting is into for. So if you are joining your fabric, is into two now. So this is how you join it, and then you sew it, and your cloth will be ready to wear. So please, thank you so much for watching my video for today, and also don't forget to subscribe and also share it for others to see, so that they too can learn and watch. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.